Alright, guys, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is coming. And now let's talk about the big leaks and rumors around the phone from the past few weeks because this could be the most exciting flagship of the year. First up, the hardware of the phone. Well, Huawei is now pushing boundaries with some serious upgrades here because a Weibo tipster detail chat station says that the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra will now bring extraordinary hardware upgrades. It may pack unexpected hardware components this time to deliver the best smartphone experience from every angle. Further, the company could introduce new self-developed technologies with the Pura 80 Ultra this time, and these tech could be related to the display solution, camera, chipset, battery, or the satellite communication. And not only that, the cameras of the smartphone. Well, Huawei is already a pro in the mobile photography, but the Pura 80 Ultra is taking things further. We are talking about AI-powered camera features that can detect scenes, adjust lighting, and deliver DSLR-level photos effortlessly. The tipster fixed focus implies the Pura 80 Ultra may use an improved multi-spectral lens to beautify the color restoration aspects. Although the highlight of the device could be the new AI imaging capabilities, one can expect better upgrades over the Pura 70. Plus, there is a rumored 1x1.3-inch periscope sensor, which means insane zoom capabilities with the ultra-sharp details. This could easily make it the king of the smartphone photography if all the leaks turns true. And now, the best part is a brand new Kirin chipset. Well, Huawei is rapidly using their next generation Kirin 5G processor. Smart Pikachu says that all of the Huawei Pura 80 models will now pack a new Kirin 5G chipset with improved performance. The phone maker could introduce a better processor in the second quarter of this year instead of using the same Kirin 9020 for its new flagship, which means we will see lightning-fast performance, zero lag, and smooth multitasking in the device. And you can just add an improved 5G speeds and enhanced AI processing, and we could conclude it as the powerhouse from all prospect. Anyway, these all are speculations for now, but if these leaks are true, the Pura 80 Ultra might just change the game, not only for Huawei but for the entire smartphone market. What do you think? Is this the flagship phone you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.